Oh no, did you see that?
The blue vase! It is in 100 pieces!
Mom and Dad are coming back. We have to hide it, fast!
Yep, that's us. You're probably wondering how Grandma's favorite vase ended up shattered and whether we're going to tell the truth or keep a giant secret. Let's rewind.
Whew, today is a very special day.
Ha ha! Yes, it is Grandma's birthday.
We need to make the garden beautiful.
Let's see. I have the decorations here.
Jake, June, can you help us?
Yes, Mom! I love birthdays!
Me too! Haha, what can we do?
Please put this blue vase on the table.
Whoa, be very careful, June. It is Grandma's favorite.
Aha! I will be careful, Dad.
Now, Dad and I will go inside to get the cake.
Stay in the garden and play quietly.
Okay, Dad. See you soon.
Wow! Look at the vase! It is so pretty!
Hey, let's play with my new red ball!
But Dad said we must be quiet.
Oh, come on. Just one small throw, June.
Okay, catch the ball, Jake.
Ha! I have it! Now your turn!
Oh no! The ball is going too high!
Yikes! Oh my goodness! Look at the vase!
The blue vase is broken.
Uh-oh. It is in many small pieces.
Oh, Grandma will be so sad.
Yikes! Dad will be angry with us.
What should we do?
Let's hide the pieces under the leaves.
Is that a good idea?
If they don't see it, they won't know.
I am scared, but okay.
All right.
We are back. The cake looks yummy.
Wait a minute. Where is the blue vase?
I don't see it on the table.
Jake, do you know where the vase is?
No, Dad, I don't know.
June, did the wind blow it over?
Yes, maybe it was the wind.
That is strange. There is no wind today.
Look at Jake's shoes. There is blue glass on them.
Jake, please tell us the truth.
I'm sorry, Dad. I was careless.
We were playing with the ball, and it hit the vase.
Why did you hide the pieces?
We were afraid you would be angry.
We are sad about the vase, but we are happy you told the truth.
Honesty is more important than a vase.
We are very sorry, Mom and Dad.
Let's use teamwork to clean it up together.
Wait, if you want to learn more useful vocabulary about honesty, family, and home, check out our English learning ebook. The link is in the description.
I can't do it! The wind is too strong!
We are cold and we have no place to sleep.
Is our camping trip ruined already?
Wait! If we all pull at the same time, maybe we can save the tent!
Whew, we are here at the campsite.
Wow, the forest is so big and green.
Oh, I am so excited to sleep in a tent.
Brr, but it is getting very cold now.
Don't worry, June. We will build a fire.
First we must put up the big tent.
Jake, can you hold this long pole?
It is very heavy, Dad.
June, please pull the green rope.
I am pulling, but the tent is falling!
Oh no, it is on the ground again.
Ugh, we are tired and hungry.
Oh, this is very difficult.
Can we just sleep in the car?
No, Jake. We can do this if we work together.
Remember what we learned. Teamwork makes it easy.
Okay, let's try one more time.
Let's see. Lisa, you hold the middle.
Aha! I have it! It is staying up!
Right, Jake. Push the pole into the dirt.
1, 2, 3, push!
Now I will tie the rope to the tree!
Wow! Look! The tent is standing up!
Phew! Great job, team!
Oh boy, now I am very, very hungry.
Let's find some wood for the fire.
Oh, I see some dry sticks over there.
I will help you carry them, June.
Oh, thank you, kids. You are being very helpful.
All right, I will start the fire now.
Wow, the fire is so bright and warm.
Brr, my hands were cold, but now they are warm.
Who wants hot soup for dinner?
Me, please, Mom.
I want some too, please.
This soup tastes wonderful in the forest.
It is special because we made this camp together.
Whoa, Dad, look at the stars.
Wow, they are so many and so bright.
Yes, it is a beautiful night for the Whitmore family.
Oh, Jake, remember to put your trash in the bin?
Yes, Mom, we must keep the forest clean.
I will help Jake clean up.
That is a very good habit, June.
Now it is time to go inside the tent.
Good night, Forest.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night, kids. Sleep well.
We learned that teamwork is the best way.
See you in the morning for a new adventure.
Class is officially in session. Let's see exactly how well you did on today's brand new vocabulary. Let's start with our nouns. Vase, a beautiful container for flowers. Tent, our little house made of cloth for sleeping outside. Teamwork, when everyone works together to do a job. Next up, prepositions. Under, the broken pieces were hiding under the leaves. Inside, we felt warm and safe inside the tent.
My turn. Now let's look at the adjectives. Honest, when you tell the truth, even when you are afraid. Careless, when you are not being careful and an accident happens. So, have you ever broken something and felt afraid to tell the truth? Or have you ever gone camping in a big forest? We want to hear your story in the comments.
Keep practicing your English. Remember that teamwork is the best way, and we'll see you in the very next adventure. Goodbye, everyone!